Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's vision of Swaraj, self-rule, was deeply rooted in the idea of independence, good governance, and the welfare of his people. His Swaraj was not just political freedom from the Mughal and Adil Shahi rule but also a system of governance that ensured justice, security, and prosperity for all sections of society. Key aspects of Shivaji Maharaj's vision of Swaraj: self-rule and independence. Shivaji Maharaj wanted to establish a kingdom free from foreign domination, whether it was Mughal, Adil Shahi, or Portuguese. His fight was not just military but also ideological, emphasizing self-reliance and cultural pride. Welfare-oriented governance. He focused on just and efficient administration, ensuring the welfare of his people. Corruption was not tolerated, and officers were expected to work with honesty. Farmers, traders, and artisans were given protection and support. Strong military and fort system. His Swaraj was defended by a disciplined army, including the navy, which was revolutionary at the time. He built and strengthened forts across Maharashtra, ensuring strategic defense. Religious tolerance and justice. Although he was a devotee Hindu, he respected all religions and protected mosques and churches. His rule ensured justice for all, irrespective of caste, religion, or economic status. Economic independence. Encouraged local trade and industries to reduce dependence on foreign powers. Promoted maritime trade to strengthen the economy. Ensured that farmers were not exploited by landlords or tax collectors. People-centric administration. Swaraj was not just about ruling a kingdom but about empowering the people. Local self-governance was encouraged through village panchayats and regional officers. Officials like Mukhya Pradhan, Peshwa, Nyayadhish, Chief Justice, and Senapati, Commander-in-Chief, ensured efficient governance. Conclusion. Shivaji Maharaj's Swaraj was a vision of self-sufficiency, justice, and good governance, making him one of India's greatest rulers. His model of governance inspired future freedom movements, including India's struggle for independence led by Mahatma Gandhi.